So this is a little meditation and activation practice to connect you to your sacred yes and your sacred no in your body. Why is this important? Your sacred yes is your compass. So what you feel in your body as your yes and your no is going to guide you every step of the way. It is going to help you make decisions. It is going to lead to your highest timeline. The gut can feel into your future timeline and relay back that information. So when you feel that expansive, lit up, sacred yes feeling, that is your gut relaying back to you that that is for your highest good, and the opposite when you get that sacred no. So favourite this and come back to this if you are driving or you're not in a quiet place where you can do this right now. But if you are, let's settle in. So I would like to invite you to take some deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. Just going deeper into a state of presence and relaxation, and just notice how your body is feeling right now. Noticing any areas of tightness or tension. You can breathe into those areas. Noticing any areas of lightness or heaviness, knowing there is no right or wrong, just simply awareness. And I would like to invite you to bring to mind a decision that you made that was the right decision. And you might feel into the point of making this decision or the outcome of this decision. Something that was for your highest good. And just notice where you feel this in your body. You might notice an expansion, an excitement, a lit up feeling, a feeling of calm, peace, stillness, sureness, confidence, whatever you feel for you is right. Just feel into the feelings of this decision. And this is your sacred yes. So just note that feeling now. Where do you feel that? Do you feel excitement? What do you feel? Just note that feeling in your body. This is your sacred yes. And now we're just going to briefly bring to mind a decision that you made that was not the right one, that was not for your highest good. And just note those feelings in your body. It might be a constriction, an anxiety. There may even be a shape or colour associated with either of these feelings. And when you tune into this decision that was not the right decision for you, just allowing any feelings to be there around this and noticing where you feel this in your body. And this is your sacred no. So just making a note of this feeling. And then bringing your attention and awareness back to your sacred yes feeling. And just allow that feeling to light up in your body. And wherever you notice that feeling of a yes for you in your body, we're just going to ask that for any wisdom and guidance. Where is your sacred yes guiding you to today? And just allow any insights or messages to come through. Perhaps it's something, a small sacred yes movement for you to do today, a small action or way of being. So just tuning into that today, knowing there is no right or wrong. And then bringing your attention and your energy back into the room, wiggling your fingers and toes and opening your eyes. And I'd love for you to pop in comments and let me know what you experienced today and where is that sacred yes and sacred no for you and your body, and what does that feel like for you? Let me know, and I hope you enjoyed this practice.